Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, December 9th. So, what's going on news wise? So, remember that this morning brief is to give you a everyday routine where we do the exact same steps every single day so that we don't forget anything, we don't get arrogant and and just stop doing some of the things that we need to do. It keeps you back to a routine, and that routine is very important for discipline as well as getting ready for the market to open. So, December 9th. So, what do we have going on? You can see here we have a 10 a.m. USD. This is the news here is from forexfactory.com calendar. And we have final wholesale inventories month over month. So this gives us an idea of what businesses are doing. Are they building their inventories back? Are they increasing their inventories in anticipation of are they in anticipation of future business? Are they running low inventories because they're worried about contraction? So right after Christmas, we'll see inventories go down, and they'll stay down through January, maybe even into February, as they very, very slowly bring those inventory back up after the big buying season around Christmas. So it's always interesting to track that. Let's see, that's at 10 a.m. And that's the only item we have for today. So very light news day for this Monday in December. Looking at the chart, you can see that we are continuing to go up. We're basically opening flat right at the moment. We had a closing, I believe we had a closing all-time high on Friday. We certainly had an intraday all-time high. We're bumping up against these two overhead trend lines. We're above the 20, the 50, and the 200-day moving average. So that means we're bullish, bullish slant. I've got some horizontal lines I've drawn here. These are fib extensions, and you can see that that is interesting when we explore it out. So around the 20th of December, we have a trifecta. We've got multiple Fibonacci level, multiple overhead resistance trend lines. That may be a major spot around the 20th of December. We'll see how that works out. The chart's really kind of not interesting other than we're just continuing to chop upward in a bullish market. Moving on. Volume, of course, has been below average over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. This is a concern, but doesn't seem to stop the market at this point. Looking at the intraday from Friday, price action was positive, and inventory was positive by about 3,300, 3,400 contracts. That's positive. That's the way it's supposed to be. So nothing to gain from that chart. Overnight action, you'll notice it's from 60.88 all the way to 61.05. That's approximately 18 points. That's just below average. Average is 20 to 22. So, our overnight action has been showing us lower and lower volatility. We'll have to see if that actually transmits into daily. When you look at the daily chart, you can see that we do have a compression of the size of the bars. So through this move up, now suddenly the bars are getting a little bit smaller. So again, that's all topping information and possibly a topping scenario. I don't know where we're going. I think we'll continue to trend. Remember, the Christmas rally is always a seasonal thing. That being said, where do we have support and resistance? So 61.10, some resistance, 61.20, 61.50 is the whole number. That is that fib extension at 51.54. That's, again, we're at all-time highs. This is all speculation. Support, on the other hand, at least we have some volume and some chart structure to guesstimate. Looks like we've got some support at 60.71, a little bit around 60.50, and some nice support around 60.40, 60.20-ish. Of course, the whole number of 6,000 will be on the radar. And that's really all I've got for you today. The Stock Trader's Almanac is 61.9, 61.9, so a positive bias from the historics from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day trading, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.